In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to handle a bounce check in QuickBooks. If a customer's check bounces, it's important to update the original payment properly so your records stay accurate and the invoice shows as unpaid again. The good news is that QuickBooks makes this process pretty straightforward once you know where to look. To begin, go to the Sales section or Invoicing, depending on the version of QuickBooks you're using. From there, select Customers so you can pull up the customer profile connected to the bounce check. This helps make sure you're editing the correct transaction and not affecting another payment by mistake. Once you find the customer, open their profile and look for the invoice that was originally paid with the check that later bounced. Click on that invoice to open it and review the details. This is a good moment to confirm that you're working with the right invoice and the right payment before making any changes. Next, on the invoice, locate the check payment connected to it and click View Payment. This will open the payment record that was created when the check was first entered into QuickBooks. Since the payment didn't actually go through, this is the transaction that needs to be corrected. After the payment window opens, click More and then choose either Delete or Void. In most cases, either option removes the effect of that payment, but the exact choice may depend on how you prefer to manage your records and what your accountant recommends. The key idea here is that you're reversing the payment, so QuickBooks no longer treats that invoice as paid. Once you've made that selection, click Record to save the change. After that, QuickBooks updates the invoice and it should now appear as unpaid again. That means your accounts receivable will reflect the correct balance, and you can follow up with the customer for a replacement payment. And that's it. That's how to handle a bounce check in QuickBooks. Just remember to go to the customer, open the invoice, view the payment, remove it using the More menu, and then record the update. Keeping this process clean and accurate helps avoid confusion in your books and makes sure your customer balances are correct.